What if I told you your identity card is more than just an ID? Let's dive into the Flanders Republic Law Group's perspective. At the core, they believe your sovereignty is inherent and inalienable. An identity card doesn't recognize the living being. It creates a legal fiction. When the state issues an ID card, it assumes a commercial agreement. This presumption can be challenged under the principles of living law. Identity cards have roots deep in history, evolving from wartime use. Originally for security, they've transformed into tools for governance. By the 80s, they became the primary token of legal personhood in commerce. This shift meant a subtle legal transformation from recognition to licensing. In common law, no one is forced to contract against their will. Consent must be explicit. Silence does not equal agreement. Your identity card becomes a part of this contractual framework. You signal acceptance of the issuing authority's jurisdiction. But what if you reserve your natural rights? This is where the distinction between living beings and legal persons comes in. The living being is subject to natural law, while the legal person is created by statute. The identity card identifies not you, but your legal persona. In many laws, that card is considered property of the state. When you use it without limitation, you bind yourself to statutory duties. But FRLGC counters this by managing the legal persona through a trust. They treat your legal name as intellectual property. Registering it secures your identity from unauthorized use. Any misuse can be challenged on intellectual property grounds. With the sovereign trust model, you gain more control over your identity. The settlor declares the trust, transferring rights to it. A trustworthy entity manages these trust assets. FRLGC acts as the protector, ensuring compliance with principles. The beneficiary, that's you, benefits without exposure to liabilities. Any identity documents held as trust property serve limited purposes. This safeguards your rights from being viewed as general consent. Conditional acceptance is key to neutralizing blanket consent. By accepting the card for limited purposes, you maintain your natural rights. If authorities dare to overstep, you challenge them directly. They must produce valid contracts linking you to their claims. Without such contracts, the claim is invalid, treated as trespass. You can invoice for damages and administrative fees. Imagine this: a municipality fines you for an infraction. The trust gets the notice, then you respond with conditional acceptance. The claim needs proof of jurisdiction and lawful standing. If they can't produce it, the claim collapses. Continued pursuit leads to invoices for unlawful use of trust property. Living law isn't about chaos, it's about recognizing moral legitimacy. It's all about harmonizing morality with legal precision. Redefine your identity card, not a chain of jurisdiction, but a mere token. When held under license, it empowers and protects your rights. Intrigued by this approach? Start your journey with FRLGC today. For more insights, subscribe and stay updated. Together, let's redefine identity and sovereignty. Thank you for watching. Your journey starts now.